Comeng's train on the down Upfield service. That sounds actually awesome. 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 Classic Comeng horn. That sounds actually awesome to play the horn. Before buying the something horn named horn they use on the Comeng. Peas, Comeng, and Hitachi Metros have the same horn. And I think the T's had the same one as well, I'm not too sure. And I think the Barrier Railways diesel uses a similar horn as well. Someone will do that tell me in the description below. Not sure that counts as the horn, so I'm going to write that on the title. That was the Comeng on the 9 o'clock down Upfield service.